C7 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car at 31,284 on the odometer right now. So just a little over 31,000 is all. Of course, the Z51 package, 2LT. 6.2 liter V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with the 8-speed shiftable automatic. Take a look at the front face, how clean this Arctic white paint is. Really free of any major nicks, dings, chips, scratches up here. You might find a small imperfection, but boy, all around, that is a clean front fascia. Paint looks good on the hood. Love the hash on the fenders. Great looking color combination. Check out all the still pictures. Take a look at the undersides, how clean this car is on the underside. Interior, engine bay, trunk. You'll see the removable roof panel in and out of it in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, the big chrome wheels. Now, there is just a couple spots where you got just a little bit of rash on them. And you'll see all the wheels close up in the still pictures, as well as the tread on the tires. Technician noted the front tires are 2019 date code, rears are 2022. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see that's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches also. The gray interior, of course, leather bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Z06 wing. A few items that are going to come with this also: car cover, cargo net. I'm going to put that umbrella back in there, and the trickle charger plugs into the cigarette lighter. All that will go along with it. Of course, the center dump exhaust, great sounding car. Wait till you hear it start up and get a listen to this one run a little bit. Of course, your monitor Mentees underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Has had a fresh oil change, it's ready to roll. Miscellaneous receipts will go along with the car. Technician noted drives out very well. Brakes are 80% in the front, 85% in the rear, and really clean underneath. Once again, all the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video. And if you like Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see those slotted rotors behind those beautiful chrome wheels. And of course, you can purchase vehicles online right up our showroom floor. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little bit closer. Of course, monitor amenities on the inside too, with the power locks, power mirrors, power window, memory seating, power seat over here on the driver's side. Take a look at the condition of the seat. Also in very nice shape. Steering wheel controls, heated and ventilated seats, heads-up display, selective ride. All the goodies you get in a modern C7 Corvette with the 2LT and Grand Sport package. Let's check out the exact miles. Whoa, there the bad boy fires up. There they are, 31,284. Notice no service, engine soon, any sort of engine lights, anything like that on. Right now we're in touring mode. If you see that little T down at the bottom, there's economy. Why would you ever want that? Or weather. Not sure you'd need that a whole lot either, but maybe some rain. Then there's sport and, of course, track mode. See, the stereo is working. Electronic dual climate control, and again, heated and ventilated seats. All your goodies. Of course, the tap shift, shiftable automatic. Up shift on the right, down shift on the left. Dash looks good. Listen to this nice throaty exhaust note. And how about underneath the hood? Hood liner nice and clean, as well as the engine bay. Nice and clean underneath there. Also, what you'd expect out of a car with a clean Carfax, low miles. It's ready to go. 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom.
One of 114.
And beyond. New episodes every week. Only on Motorhood.
Today, let's go for a ride in a 2018 Chevrolet Corvette. This car has an automatic transmission. You can also go to manual mode and use the paddle shifters. White with some striking black and red accents that really works on this car. We're running with the Targa top out for the open air experience today. If I ever get done with the traffic. One more car. Beautiful condition car. Barely broken in with a little over 30K on it right now. And it sounds good too. So I have it in track mode. You get a little more bark from that exhaust. And it sounds good. Did I mention this is a Grand Sport? Some of the best styling of any late model Corvette, in my opinion, is the Grand Sports. Steering wheel controls, steering shifting. What can I say? It handles like a brand new C7 Corvette. We got a heads-up display giving us the miles per hour currently and the gear we are in. You can choose to change that. Our temperature is 180. The fuel gauge reading a little over a half a tank. Speedometer, we've got a needle on the left. We also have tachometer digitally on a screen in the middle with a large font speedometer. Oil pressure between 30 and 40. Brakes, awesome. Corners, awesome. I mean, these are amazing cars to drive. Corners flat. I can feel the wheels on the verge of letting go, but gripping well. Find all the pictures of this 2018 Corvette at UniqueClassicCars.com.